Welcome to PoultryMon MLIT, where we provide smart poultry solutions. These are the incubators that are used in hatchery. This is the flow which depicts the integration of PoultryMon with CCSP. This is a complete end-to-end high level of architecture that is used. These are the set of hatchery remote monitoring devices, and one for each incubator will act as a node. This is the gateway which will communicate wirelessly with all the HRMs. We are extremely proud to convey that all these IoT or M2M devices, including the gateway, are made in India. It will display all the parameters, namely temperature, humidity, power, fan RPM, door status, and rack count. It displays the information about the deviated incubators, communicates with CCSP with GSM and Wi-Fi. There is our web and mobile interface. First is the web or browser-based device. All the information regarding the incubators will be displayed in the dashboard. Information regarding power, fan, door, and rack status will be displayed. We will be able to see the updated status of each incubator after every 10 minutes. We will be able to see the status regarding power, door, fan RPM, and rack count. We can set the temperature and wet bulb set points. All the error notifications will be shown here. We can add user notes here. We can see and download all the previous data according to their specific dates. These are some of the sample records. Secondly, we have the mobile interface. The user can see the live data and set values accordingly. We can write notes here. Notifications are displayed and reports can be seen. Thank you.